Hi, I'm Curran, and I'm here today with Tom Hauner, the editor-in-chief of Oracle Magazine. Hi, Tom.
Hi, Curran. How are you today?
Great. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And I'm looking forward to talking about the July-August issue of Oracle Magazine.
Yeah, let's get started.
Excellent.
So whom do you interview in this issue of Oracle Magazine?
This issue of Oracle Magazine, we interviewed Dave Seglau, who is a product manager for Oracle NoSQL Database. He talks about NoSQL technology, he talks about Oracle NoSQL Database, and he talks about the importance of integration in Oracle NoSQL technologies with relational database technologies. It's a good interview.
I missed the Java 8 launch. Is there any way I can still see it?
First off, I cannot believe you missed the Java 8 launch.
I know. I'm sorry.
But the good news is there is a way to see it. The webcast and lots of material is available on demand, and there are links to the content in the Community Bulletin column in the July-August issue of Oracle Magazine.
Well, that's good to hear. That's a relief. What's in Architect this issue?
In this issue, Bob Rubart writes about silos and talks about how they're not as bad as we think they are. They've got some good qualities that can be used in developing new technologies and integrating technologies.
The cover story of the July-August issue is called Success on Spark. Why are businesses choosing this new generation of Spark chips and servers?
Spark chips have been powering enterprise servers for many years now, and Spark servers provide very, very high performance for mission-critical enterprise applications. Organizations everywhere are using Spark chips, servers, and the Solaris operating system to run their businesses and run their businesses faster and actually improve the bottom line and get better return on investment for what they're doing. Spark chips, servers, and Solaris are a powerful combination of technologies.
The Oracle Applications User Group has always been important to users around the world. Who's next? Who's taking over the group this year?
Current, the Oracle Applications User Group, the OAUG, is a very important user group for Oracle technology and applications. And this year's new president is Alyssa Johnson, and we're very fortunate to interview her for the July-August issue of Oracle Magazine.
Great. Tom Kite has just finished up his 5-part series on Oracle Database 12c. What's he doing in this issue?
I'm going to answer that with a question. Do you know what CTAS stands for?
I knew last Friday, but that doesn't mean I know now. Remind me.
I'll give you a hint. Create
Table as server.
Select. Close. You knew it was an S, and you got the first 2 letters right. Create table as select is a powerful way to update tables instead of row by row processing and slow by slow, as Tom Kite likes to call it, processing. It's about doing bulk updates, and it saves a lot of time and can save a lot of money.
Why is Stephen Feuerstein's article in this issue called The Joy of Low-Hanging Fruit?
The Joy of Low-Hanging Fruit. Stephen's article in the July-August issue on PL/SQL is about taking advantage of some important features that developers can do very quickly and fairly easily and see really big performance improvements in their PL/SQL applications. Specifically in this issue, Stephen talks about the use of bulk collect and for all to do bulk processing, and they are the proverbial low-hanging fruit in this article.
Got it. That makes sense now. Well, Tom, it sounds like a good issue. Any closing thoughts on July-August?
July-August, I agree. I think it was a good issue, and I hope that people, our readers and subscribers, feel the same way. Let us know what you think. Check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Send us your input. We want to make the next issue better. If we miss something this time, let us know. The biggest thing I can think of to mention before we go, though, is that Oracle Open World San Francisco is coming up fast, and if you haven't already registered, now's the time. You can do the registration deal at oracle.com/openworld. And until next issue, thanks.